In today's video, I'll be helping you in discovering the kind of trader that you are in the market. So I'll be telling you all the types of traders we have in the market, so that when you get into the trading industry, you don't have to kind of confuse yourself doing what everybody is doing. So I can just know what you're doing exactly and know where to focus your energy into, know when to enter and when not to enter, just like the way we have the different types of traders. Because these different types of traders have their own time that they use in entering and the time that they don't use to enter the market. So in this video, I want to help you discover all these things right now. Let's get into the video, guys. So the first type of trader that I will help you in discovering is the scalpers. The scalpers are those type of traders that don't even stay long in the market. All they just believe in is that with 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes candles, they can make good profit from the market. So this set of traders will just find where the trend is currently going to. Then all they just have to do is get to that place where the trend is going to, then enter the market with that kind of 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame and 15 minutes time frame. Then within a little period of time, they have made their money and they are done for that day. This is the kind of people they are. And most of these people that are going to scalping are people that have big capitals. So I won't advise people with little capitals to go into scalping. You might be trying to make some good money from the market and still end up losing your money as a scalper because your account size is small. So I will still prefer people that use bigger capital to go into scalping. Another set of people in the market is the day traders. These are the type of traders that just come to the market every day looking for their daily bread, looking for their daily opportunities in the market. They just want to trade every day. But people are kind of misquoting this day trading stuff. So some people, they feel like they should be trading every day due to the name day trading. But to me, I don't feel like you should be trading every day even as a day trader. I will explain everything in details right now. These day traders are those type of traders that love their trades running within 24 hours every day. They don't like keeping trades for like 3, 4, 5 days or all those kind of trades like the swing traders, which I will get into also. So this type of traders now, sometimes they don't even see opportunity, but due to the fact that they see themselves as day traders, they want to get into the market and just trade. They just want to trade in the market, which is very, 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 very wrong because you're playing with your money. You don't need to play with money like that. So to me, I will advise all the day traders that whenever you don't see opportunity in the market, do not go into the market. I know you're a day trader, I know you should be trading every day, but still, don't go into the market when you don't see opportunities in the market. Don't waste money. That's one advice I would give to all the day traders. And also these day traders, they use time frame like from the H4, H1, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Sometimes they go to the higher time frames like the weekly time frames, the daily time frames, so that from there they can get the kind of analysis they are looking for in the market. You know, whenever you want to get into the trade, you want to get into the charts, you just have to start from the higher time frames and bring it down to the lower time frame so that you can get what you are actually looking for in the market. Analysis are normally taken from the higher time frames. You have to keep this in mind. This is a very, very important stuff that I just shared right now. So these day traders now, I feel like they shouldn't be trading every day. They should focus more on the days that they see opportunities in the market. Although you have to shop every day in the market, but do not take every opportunity. To me, I prefer that they should just take opportunities that are worth the price, so that even though they get into the trade, they will have good returns at the end of the market. So another trader that I would love to tell you now is the swing traders. These are those type of traders that don't even need to stress themselves that much in the market. These type of traders, they go into all this kind of weekly time frames, daily time frames, analyze the market from that place, then bring it down to the 15 minutes candle for entries. That's the major work that they do there. They don't even need to stress themselves. So when they get to this weekly time frame, daily time frame, they analyze the overall trend of the market. They want to know where the market is exactly going into. So when they see these things that wants to happen in this market now, their major work is to just go down to the 15 minutes time frame after analyzing on the H4 time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, H1 time frame, 30 minutes, then they will just go back to the 15 minutes time frame to spot their entries. This type of people just find those trades. After finding everything, they'll just get their entries at that 15 minutes time frame. From there, they'll keep holding the trade till the market gets to that point whereby they see the market going into. That's the work of all these swing traders. They can hold trade for like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 1 week, 1 month save. They can still hold trade. They don't really care about what the market is actually doing. Like the little noises on the lower time frames, they don't usually care about those ones. All they know is they got the overall trend and they are following that overall trend in the market. That's the work of all these swing traders. Also, we have another type of traders, which is the gambling traders. These people are those people that buy whenever the market is buying and they sell whenever the market is selling. They don't know anything about the market. All they just care about is, I want to make money. These people normally lose a lot of money in the market because they don't have that financial knowledge about what is going to happen in the market. They just get into the market due to the opportunities that they see. They don't even care. Like, if they just see the market buying now, they'll start buying. They just see the market selling, they'll start selling. These people are very, very emotional when it comes to the chart, and they don't usually care. They just want to make money and get out of the market. So most of them end up losing their money in the market also. That's one bad thing about gambling traders. Also, I have another set of people which are called the profitable traders. This set of people are those people that are really, really making it in the industry, guys. Being a profitable trader doesn't mean you should have the biggest account size or whatever. But what it takes to be a profitable trader is the fact that you know when to enter, when not to enter, you know how to withdraw from the market, and you know how to manage your risk very, very well. Because that's one of the most important things about the chart. A lot of people go into the chart, take good trades, then at the end of the trade, maybe they just make like a trade that is expected to give them at least 50 to 100 bucks. They get like 20 from it, they get like 10 from it, then they just rush and close the market without allowing the market to do its things. So what makes them that profitable trader is that ability of them knowing when to enter, when to exit, and also how to manage their risk, which is very, very important when it comes to the chart. The ability for you to manage your risk very, very well is number one key thing that makes any trader profitable. Like right now, I can risk like $5 expecting something like $30-20 on that trade. So all I just have to do is wait for the market to get to that point, and once the market gets to that point, we stack in the trade and we make good figures. That makes me a profitable trader. But we also have other traders, which is the unprofitable traders also. These are those people that they are making money. They are making money. I don't want to say that they're not making money. They are making money, but their risk to reward ratio is killing them all the time. Maybe sometimes they might risk 1-to-1, and that 1-to-1 might be they're kind of risking 5 to make 10. Or let's say they're kind of risking 7 to make 10. So that's a very, very bad way of risking the market, and you might end up not getting your funds back in the market. So this type of people, they just keep trading all the time, making little profit, then making bigger losses. Their losses are always bigger than their profit, which is one of the things that makes them unprofitable. It's not that they don't know what they're doing in the market. It's not that they don't know the things that happen in the market. They are very good in the market, but they are not making reasonable figures. And this is where 90% of traders fall into. That's why they said 90% of traders are losing money in the market. So look at this video, look at yourself, know where you need to belong to. You need to actually look at the things you are doing in the market and correct yourself so that you don't have to kind of be losing like the way you have been losing before. Not because you don't know what's happening in the market, but because your risk and reward ratio is very, very bad. So just look at this video, look at yourself, clear some things in your head, and get back to the chart and do the rightful things. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to join us in the Telegram community. Let's trade together and make money together, guys. See you in the next video. Peace and love.